Hey everybody, welcome to the Wisco Boater channel. My name is Chad and today I'm going to install a television in Clifford. I've got a pretty decent sized TV here. I think it's about a 32-inch TV. The TV that came with this boat was actually right here. You can see the mark right here on the vinyl where the TV would have rubbed up against it. There's a little hole down there where the power would have come through, and then a 12-volt outlet over there, which I am going to end up using for this other TV. But this TV does 12 volt or 120, so I'm just going to start off using a 120 because my 12 volt cord is not yet here. So whenever that shows up, we'll get it installed with the 12 volt wire. But I'm using a just a flat mount, which is going in place right there. I just ran it right through the wall into the bathroom, into the head right there. This is a really inexpensive wall mount from Walmart called Hang On. This was 10 bucks. So we'll mount these to the back of the television, and then we'll have a TV right there. All right, so we got the brackets mounted on the back of the TV. We're gonna put these up here. All right, here we have the TV mounted. As I said, it's a 32-inch TV, so it's plenty big for this space. But now I'm gonna hook up the Roku. And this will give us all the television we need. All right, before I hook up the Roku, I'll show the inside here. So this is where the TV mount is bolted through the fiberglass head unit. I'll put something over those bolts to make sure they're protected so no one falls and gets hurt on them, but it's very, very easy installation. And now I'll work on installing the Roku. All right, well, everything right now is sort of just temporarily rigged here. Got cords everywhere. So I'll figure this all out, where to put everything. But got power from the outlet to the TV and power to the Roku. The boat is suddenly rocking. All right, so TV, power on, Roku ready. Okay. All right, we want Harbor Club Marina. Isn't technology wonderful? So, we've got a 32-inch TV installed on the boat, running off a Roku. Yeah, I've got some cords situations to figure out here, but this is just freaking awesome. 32-inch TV on the boat, got plenty of space here. Well, when there's not stuff here, to watch a movie, watch TV. Tomorrow morning I plan on watching golf. It's just awesome. So, from inside the cabin of Clifford, thanks for watching this episode of the Wisco Boater channel on Clifford. Updates, upgrades, whatever you want to call it. New TV. This is going to be good. Really, really good. I'm also installing an air conditioner right now, so watch for that video to come out here pretty soon. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments, and we'll see you next time on the Wisco Boater channel. Oh, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I post a new video, just like this one. Happy boating, everybody. We'll see you next time.